Welcome to the sixth and last film in our Pitched Roof series, in which we take a look at the information you should include in joist and rafter drawings. Joist and rafter drawings are effectively instructions to the roof carpenters. They need to include information on the type and shape of the roof framework, on the position of the various elements and their relationship to the rest of the building shell, and on the dimensions of rafters, joists, and other members. We will show you some old and some up-to-date examples which will serve as models for making joint and rafter drawings. This drawing shows you how to represent joints and rafters. It illustrates a Purlin roof with two vertical posts and double ties, which should not be confused with structural collar beams. What is interesting in this drawing is the way the plan view is shown in two projection planes. The top half shows the floor joists and the double ties. At the bottom, you can see the rafters with tilting fillets at the eaves. Using this separation into joists and rafters is good practice for the trainee architect. This drawing shows a Purlin roof with a single vertical post, that is, with a ridge purlin. The separation into two plan view planes is not immediately visible and needs to be indicated more clearly. However, it does show quite clearly the relationship between the joists and rafters and the members below them, such as the edge rafter and the trimmers around the fireplace. It is also important to include design elements such as doors, windows, and staircases, as well as the walls beneath the roof. The walls on the right-hand side of the plan view are incorrectly drawn. They should be shown as top edges. In the cross-section, however, the walls should be shown as cut edges, and you should indicate the rafters and beams in the plan view. Cut wooden members are indicated by means of a cross. Here you can see a simple collar beam roof in both plan view and section. Once again, the drawing is far from perfect. Though the plan view of the floor beneath the floor shows all the important elements, it is not split into two planes showing joists and rafters. The dimensioning, however, which shows all key measurements and references to the masonry structure, is exemplary. The dimensions also show how center distances can be manipulated when the joist arrangement does not quite work out. Summary: joist and rafter plans are effectively instructions to the roof carpenters. They need to provide information on the type and shape of the roof framework, the position of the various components and their relationship to the rest of the building shell, and the dimensions of rafters, joists, and other members. The plan view in the drawing is divided in two projection planes, one showing the joists, the other the rafters. Our next series of films looks at flat roofs. We hope you'll be able to join us.